Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Meghna and today's video is the last episode of the Amazon Finds series. Thank you so much for sticking around till now. I know this series has received so much of love and that's only because of you guys, so thank you so much. Finally moving on to the last episode of the Amazon Finds series, I have just one product. You would know by the title itself. So if you want to know more about this product, then keep watching. So today's star product is a skincare product and it's by the brand Greenberry and it is called the Mud Ash 3-in-1 Face Care. Okay, so this is how the packaging is. It comes in a tub form like this. It's plastic. Now, the reason I got this is because it is multi-purpose and I love multi-purpose makeup products or even skincare products. You can use this as a cleanser, scrubber and a mask in a jar of happiness. That's what's written here. This product is made in India and it is 100% natural and vegan product. This has 100 grams of product and I bought it for 499 rupees. Right now it is on sale and I think you can get it for 440 rupees if I'm not wrong. So yeah, it keeps fluctuating, but it's around that 400-500 range. Now let's read the ingredients. So the ingredients are bentonite clay, kaolin clay, glycerine, aqua, aloe vera extracts, activated charcoal, walnut shell power, chamomile extracts. So these are few of the main natural ingredients. And when you open this, you will find this plastic protective lid. It smells strongly of bentonite and kaolin clay, which I like. I like the smell of it. I've used a 1/4 of the product, but I've actually used it some 4-5 times. So you don't really need a lot to use this, so that's a good thing. Now the consistency is quite interesting. Since this can be used as a cleanser, scrubber and a face mask, it has a very soft buttery texture when you first touch it, but then when you actually move it around and scrub it, you can really feel hard mud particles that help in scrubbing and exfoliating your skin. I really love that about this texture. Now let's read what it claims. So it has charcoal, which is supposed to suck in all the dirt, dust and depolluting your skin. It has a tea tree, which effectively removes any spots from your skin, making it spotless and supple. Kaolin clay, which removes all blemishes, pimples, spots. Bentonite clay, excellent pore reducer and also heals and nourishes the skin cells. Chamomile extract, strong anti-inflammatory properties, helps get rid of acne-causing bacteria, thus eliminating the problem from the root. So as you would have heard, it actually claims to get rid of all sorts of skin problems. Now, does it actually live up to its claims? So how I use this product is mainly as a scrubber or exfoliator and as a face mask. I don't use it as a daily cleanser, which they have mentioned here, because I don't think this is good as a daily cleanser since it's like a strong exfoliator. You don't want to exfoliate your face while cleansing every single day because that's not good for your skin. It'll actually take away all the natural oil from your skin, which is supposed to nourish, heal and moisturize your skin. I wouldn't suggest you guys to use it on a regular daily basis as a cleanser, even though it claims that. I would rather use it as a scrubber as well as a face mask. So as a scrubber, I just take a very little amount because that's more than enough for your face and just move in circular motions. That really helps blood flow to your skin, which will in turn improve your skin problems and give you a beautiful, healthy, glowy looking skin. This as a scrubber is brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant because it literally gets rid of all the excess dead skin on your face. Now as a face mask, again, I freaking love this product. It really rejuvenates and firms up your skin and make your pores appear much smaller. So I love to use it as a face mask. Now sadly there are no directions on how to use it. I wish they had, because how long to keep on as a face mask, or how should I scrub, or how should I cleanse my face with it. So I wait for about 10 to 15 minutes until my mask feels dry and then I wash it away with water. So yes, I do believe that it gives you a much cleaner, glowy, firmer skin. I can't speak much about acne since I don't have. I'm pretty sure it's going to be good for acne prone skin as well because it has all those natural ingredients in it, which is really good for all types of skin. So coming to the pros and the cons, the pros would be, I love the quantity. I feel you can make this last for a long time and you don't need much for every use. Number 2 is that it is so convenient to use since it's already a mixed in face pack. You don't need to add rose water or any other things. You can just literally apply it on your face like a very quick fix, unlike some other face packs that you get as dry and you have to mix certain wet ingredients to make it a proper face pack. Number 3, the ingredients. I love the ingredients. They are natural. There are no unnecessary chemicals that will harm your skin. Actually cater to different skin problems. So charcoal helps remove dirt, chamomile extract helps treat acne, kaolin clay removes pimples, blemishes, tea tree helps in removing spots, and bentonite clay helps in in reducing and removing pores. Number 3 has to be the multi-purpose usage of this. I love that you can use it as a cleanser, though I wouldn't recommend using it daily, and I love how you can use it as a very good exfoliator as well as an excellent face mask. And number 5, it's travel friendly because of the previous point that it is so multi-purpose and the packaging is really lightweight and good to carry around if you're traveling. It's almost like a jar of remedies for all your skin problems. Now coming to the cons, I honestly can't pick a con. That's really unlike me. I normally do pick cons because I go that deep into a product, into actually seeing what are the disadvantages or the cons of this and not just the pros. And it's really hard to find a con for this. I don't even know what to say. Even right now I'm searching in my head like what bad thing can I say about this, but there literally isn't anything bad about this product. Very honestly, it's worked really well for my skin. I love all the ingredients. The price point might seem a bit expensive at first, like even while I was buying it I was just like, whoa, that's expensive for a face mask. But the amount of product you get and the amount you need on your face is really good for that price, and also not to forget the quality of all the ingredients in this. So yeah, again, the price point I wouldn't say is a con because after using it I can definitely see myself buying this again. So yeah, that was my quick review on the 3-in-1 Mud Ash Face Care Jar by Greenberry. Give this video a big thumbs up, that really helps me out. Subscribe to my channel and be part of my notification squad. I will see you guys really soon. Till then, stay happy, positive and blessed. Bye.
You are the icing on my cake. You are the smile I can't replace. You are